2021 was a brilliant year for the digital currency market, particularly in the development of new blockchains, like Avalanche. Torrential slide, Avax, is in the main 10 by market cap, with a bullish exhibition of 3,100%, in front of top crypto resources like BTC, ETH, BNB, ADA, and DOT, as per CoinMarketCap information. The inquiry is, will the exhibition of Avalanche, Avax, keep on expanding in 2022? Subject matter authorities agree. What is the cost expectation for Avalanche, Avax, in 2022? What is Avalanche, Avax? Sent off in 2020 by Avalanche, Avalanche is a blockchain stage for decentralized applications, dApps, and different other particular blockchain networks. The objective of Avalanche was to furnish a versatile blockchain arrangement with an emphasis on conveying low exchange charges quicker and harmless to the ecosystem. With Avalanche, clients can make a limitless number of adjustable and interoperable blockchains. In the meantime, Avax is a utility symbolic that capabilities as a mechanism of trade inside Avalanche's biological system. The all-out recorded supply of Avax is 720 million. Avax is exchanged on the exchange chain, following Avalanche's agreement system. Torrential Slide's agreement system permits all hubs to process and approve exchanges, utilizing the directed acyclic graph (DAG) convention. Exchanges are handled simultaneously, and validators arbitrarily guarantee that exchanges are right with factual sureness. Avax news and updates. A joint effort among Avalanche and Atlantis World is to make a metaverse for their biological system out and out. Avalanche further develops scaling to make subnets associated with the Center Avalanche blockchain. Consequently, DeFi, decentralized finance, and Web3 games applications are quickly becoming because of the speed of exchanges that can ingest worldwide traffic as Web3 moves from specialty networks to standard reception. Avax has encountered a dive with a 2.7% cost drop in the beyond 24 hours on 2 August 2022. Torrential slide, Avax price movements through the years. Torrential slide, Avax prices in 2020. Torrential slide entered the market in September 2020 at $5. After 1 month, in the wake of entering the market, the cost of Avax diminished to $3.20. In any case, the snapshot of decline didn't keep going along. The explanation is that this crypto resource has bounced back to a worth of more than $4.80. In November, the cost of Avalanche, Avax, fell again underneath $2.90. Like the earlier month, this decline didn't keep going along, and Avax rose again to a worth of $4.50. 2021 Avalanche, Avax, highest price. Toward the start of 2021, Avalanche's Avax market capitalization outperformed $1 billion. On February 10, Avax encountered its most memorable all-time high of 2021 at $63.31. Avax's next huge energy will be during the keep-going quarter of 2021 on November 16, after Deloitte reported its organization with Avalanche. As a team with Avalanche, Deloitte will send off its Nearby As You Go (KEG) stage, which assists state and neighborhood legislatures with showing government financing during catastrophic events and crises. Curiously, multi-week after the fact, Avax arrived at its unsurpassed high with $134.53. In mid-December, a report drove by Bank of America's Alkesh Shah was distributed and reasoned that Avalanche has extraordinary versatility, with quicker settlements and lower exchange charges than other option blockchains. The USDC stablecoin was coordinated into the Avalanche blockchain a couple of days after the fact. After 7 days, the cost of this crypto resource rose in excess of 52% through the diving channel. As of March 2022, the cost of Avalanche, Avax, is $93.95. Torrential slide price predictions in 2022 according to the experts. All in all, What is the cost expectation for Avalanche, Avax, in 2022? From the Avalanche, Avax, outline underneath, in view of the calculation model, predicts that the cost of Avax in 2022 could contact the worth of $275 United States dollars. In general, the expectation of Avalanche, Avax, this year will keep on encountering cost development and the bullish feeling will proceed. Since as DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs acquire reception, new clients who enter the crypto business might shift focus over to the Avalanche blockchain as their Ethereum elective. Who are the founders of Avalanche? Torrential Slide was sent off by Avalanche, established by Cornell University teacher Eamon Gunn-Sire and Cornell University software engineering PhDs Kevin Seknicki and Mafin Tedyan. Gunn-Sire is a veteran in cryptographic examination, having planned a calculated shared virtual cache 6 years before the arrival of the Bitcoin white paper. He was additionally engaged with work on Bitcoin scaling arrangements and exploration on Ethereum before the notorious the DAO hack in 2016. From that exploration, emerged the white paper that prompted the groundwork of Avalanche in 2018. The undertaking shut a seed round in February 2019 that included financial backers like Polychain, Andreessen Horowitz and Balaji Srinivasan. Torrential Slide shut its underlying coin presenting in 2020 in less than 24 hours, bringing $42 million up all the while. What makes Avalanche unique? Torrential Slide endeavors to settle the blockchain trilemma, which places that blockchains can't accomplish an adequate level of decentralization at scale. An outcome of this are high gas expenses, as is much of the time the case on Ethereum. To tackle this issue, Avalanche planned 3 interoperable blockchains. The exchange chain, X-chain, is utilized to make and trade the local Avax tokens and different resources. Like the ERC20 norm on Ethereum, these tokens keep a bunch of normalized guidelines. It utilizes the Avalanche agreement component. The contract chain, C-chain, has brilliant agreements and decentralized applications. It has its own Avalanche virtual machine, like the Ethereum virtual machine, permitting designers to fork EVM viable dApps. It utilizes the Snowman agreement component. The platform chain, P-chain, organizes network validators, tracks dynamic subnets, and empowers the formation of new subnets. Subnets are sets of validators, similar to a validator cartel. Each subnet can be approving a few blockchains, however a blockchain must be approved by one subnet. It likewise utilizes the Snowman agreement instrument. This division of figuring errands empowers higher throughput without settling for less on decentralization. For example, private blockchains on the organization could require its subnet's validators to be adequately geologically decentralized